First up this evening, the island-wide school lockdown continued today as hundreds of teachers remained off the job.
This saw the Ministry of Education expanding its contingency plans, with all officers and volunteers out in the field, providing support to affected schools.
At least one government representative, however, says she's at a loss as to what sparked the teachers' actions, as negotiations appeared to be going well. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has our story.
Day 2 and the Sickout continues. Most teachers did not show up for work on Tuesday as they continue to send a message to the government: we do not accept your wage offer. But there seems to be some uncertainty from the government over the source of discontent with the nation's teachers. State Minister in the Ministry of Finance, Favour Williams, made that point while speaking on TVJ's Smile Jamaica on Tuesday morning.
There are two different issues at play here now. The issue of the communication around the payment for this year that would have passed. And then you have the issue of a request for an increase in the allowance.
Right.
The government has said we cannot do it, because if we do it for the teachers, we would have to do it for all the public sector. That's an impossible task. So having given that clear position from the government's perspective on that particular issue, is it now, is it about the payment that's to be made this month? We're not sure.
But speaking with our news center, President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Georgia Wall Richards, sought to address the issue.
The sticking points for the teachers of Jamaica is that there is a freeze in allowances, but there is one particular allowance, especially in light of the rollout of the national standards curriculum, that is deeply embedded in integration. And this allowance is called the book and software allowance. And so we're saying that's the only allowance that touches all teachers across the sector and is unique just to the teaching force. And therefore we're saying for teachers to feel any form of improvement in their earnings, we're asking if that could be looked at, that one allowance.
The state minister, however, insists the government is unable to do so.
It cannot be accommodated.
We also sought a comment from Finance Minister Audley Shaw, who last week stressed that when added to performance-based increments, the overall increase for the 4 years is 26%. He declined. However, State Minister with responsibility for the public service, Rudyard Spencer, questioned the action taken by the teachers.
We have done everything possible. The teachers had a very good increase some years ago, and they should allow somebody else now.
So with neither party backing down, it's left to be seen what will happen next. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.